Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. In this video, I'll be making Cook Island donuts. Let's start cooking. You will need the following ingredients: all-purpose flour, yeast, egg, sugar, salt, warm water, condensed milk, and vegetable oil. Add yeast to the water. Give it a stir. Put it aside for now. I'm sifting my flour in the bowl of my stand mixer. I'm adding sugar now. I'm also adding my salt. Okay, I've mixed our dry ingredients together, or sift them together. I'll put it aside. I'll add the condensed milk to the yeast mixture. This is one of the recipes it never crossed my mind to make it on the channel, because I know there's a lot of recipes on YouTube already. A lot of our wonderful polytubers have made this favorite of our fellow Cook Island friends, their famous Cook Island donuts. So I was hesitant to make it because there's a lot of recipes out there. However, when I got the request to make it, I have no excuse but make it for the sake of our wonderful viewer that suggested for me to make. So here I am, families and friends. So I'm adding the egg in now. Okay, I'm adding our wet ingredients now to the bowl with all our dry ingredients. And then slowly mix them with the spatula so they just combine. And then the rest of the mixing will be done we'll use our stand mixer. Right now I will mix the dough for about 10 to 15 minutes. We will knead the dough using our stand mixer. Our dough is pretty much done. It's been kneading for about 10 minutes. It's quite soft now, and most of it have come off the bowl. Adding some oil to our bowl. Okay, we will let our dough sit for about an hour to proof, and then we'll come back and assemble our donuts. Okay everyone, as you can see, our dough is double in size and it has some air in it. We are going to dust our bench, and we will move it onto the bench for now. Look at that. trying to cut them into equal portions as best as I can. Our oil is ready now. We'll start frying the donuts now. Okay, families and friends, we have cooked our donuts and here it is. I'm going to give it a taste. That's what it looks like inside. Soft in the middle. So the condensed milk does make it nice and sweet, and I think it's making the dough softer too. So that's my take on the Cook Island donuts. Comment below if I'm making it the right way, or give me some tips, our Cook Island friends. Thank you for cooking and baking with me. Hope you enjoy this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Click the button below, it's free, and it will help me improve and put more videos on the channel. Thank you again, everyone. Take care and be safe. Bye for now.